G'day folks. I managed to save this old Kelvinator air conditioner from the scrapyard today. The bloke who bought it in said that it sort of worked, but it wasn't very efficient at all. I found a few problems with it already, and I'll just show you what it looks like anyway. I think V8 Jagna has one the same as this, or very similar. Someone's painted this one white though, it looks terrible. It's got heat and cool. There's a reversing valve in there. Still has its refrigerant charge and it does work. Well, they've taken the lead and terminal box off it. Coils are plugged up and very nasty. I just got some coil cleaner today because of this one. First problem I saw is that run capacitor for the fan looks like it's about ready to explode. It's just bloated badly. So the fan's probably running at half the speed it should be. And the other problem is it's just simply too dirty. And the fan motor's loose too, that doesn't help. I had the covers off it when it was at the scrapyard and it's very unpleasant inside. I'm going to need half a bottle of coil cleaner just to clean this thing. You can see the top of the run cap's about ready to come off. I think it's already vented down the back. The fan's been hitting the guard and something down the bottom. So I'll definitely fix that. It's just the motor moving, it's not the bearings in the motor. I think the bottom mount's broken away. And that is really nasty. Looks like the coil's breaking apart too. It's gone a bit fragile. Because it's a heat pump, it also sees condensation as well as heat. Right, I've got the top cover off and this thing is just horrid inside. That's a heat strip or something in there. I can only imagine what it smells like when that element fires up. Yuck. This thing has never been cleaned in about 25 years or so. There's that happy looking run capacitor. About to go pop. I'll carefully remove that one for disposal and fit another one. It's only 415 volt. Yeah, got to get some cleaner onto this one. I'll try and take this little segment out too. Pretty solid old unit. Good old thermostat. That's the run cap. Certainly doesn't look very happy. Hasn't leaked yet, I don't think. It's got a rubberised blow-off thing there, so it might have degassed itself. Just dumped a lot of pressure but no oil. Definitely dispose of that one quickly. It doesn't look like it's going to hang in there. Okay, well this is the coil cleaner that I'm using now. I couldn't find my regular stuff, so I got some of this, which is about $60 a bottle, which is a bit too much for my liking, but I couldn't find anything anywhere else at two other places. So I got some of this. It says no rinse required, but it's just got that distinct feeling and smell of a caustic type degreaser, and I don't really trust caustics on aluminium fins. I'm just mixing a 250ml of concentrate to full litre a bottle of water, 25 to 1, yeah, 25% water. Works quite well. I've already used it on another little system which I'll post a video of. I've mixed this bottle 40 to 1 instead of 25 to 1 because this is a really exceptional case of dirt. Let's see how well it goes. I've already given it one light coat. It's going to take quite a few shots to clean this one. It's working though. Nearly out. Yeah, it works quite well. Shake it up into a foam. Looking a bit better. Just gave it a good rinse down, and there's a ton of dirt that's still coming out. A long way to go to get it properly cleaned. Coil's not too bad. Well, a ton of crap came out of that. Looks a lot better now. That's the second rinse done. The coil looks spotless now. Beautiful. Just have to dry the thing out. Water out of the defrost timer. Try and fix up some of the foam which blew away. Tons of crap everywhere now. Got to do that big one over there next, and the ceiling to set. I've got most of the covers cleaned up, still got to clean and repaint this thing. White looks horrible. I haven't even taken the bloody sticky tape off the logo. I'll probably repaint it Mission Brown or maybe Brunswick Green. Either knocked and repaired it a couple of times. Full of cracks. Back housing cleaned up okay. I'll get this thing back together when I get back from Mansfield. Thanks for watching.